Now your biggie drums are roll, trumpet sound from Zion call. From Kingston to Nairobi, from Accra to Cape Town. One blood, one destiny. Lift the black nation crown. United States of Africa, rise up and take your place. Black nation shining bright. Power, wisdom, grace. From the motherland we come. One people, one vibration. United States of Africa, hear the trumpet call.
United States of Africa, one family, one faith.
Africa are the diamond buried, earth riches and greatness. Gold in the mountain, oil in the sand. Brilliant black minds build the land. No more division, no more tribal war. Knowledge and progress open every door. Engineers and doctors, farmers and kings. Innovation rise, hear the future sing. Black star constellation, elevation of the nation. Economic liberation, global participation. From Timbuktu wisdom to Nile civilization. Ancient foundation, modern innovation. United States of Africa, rise up and take your place. Black nation shining bright. Power, wisdom, grace. From the motherland we come. One people, one vibration. United States of Africa, hear the trumpet call.
United States of Africa, one family, one faith.
From the villages to the city skyline, creative minds at work, watch the future shine. Agriculture flourish, cut land let it grow. African excellence, let the whole world know. Empower every woman, empower every man. Generational wealth, pass it down strong. Teach the youth them where them belong. Trumpets blow the trumpet loud, let the mountains rage, starlazing. A new age gone here, drums beating a beat of the land. Millions of descendants joining hand in hand, joining hand in hand.
Rise and stand.
United States of Africa, a vision bold and bright. Black nation moving forward, building every land. Wisdom from the elders, strength from the youth. Walking in prosperity, justice and truth. United States of Africa, one family, one faith. Standing in our greatness, honoring our name.
United States of Africa, one family, one faith.
Hear the drums resound, Africa united, a mighty joyful sound. Voices rising higher, black nation shining bright, guided